Gremlins? I've always been too
Jimmy.
afraid to.
Think you can help me out?
I'm sure he was just kidding when he called me annoying.
You're ugly.
But I just want to be
Hey, Jimmy.
Why not?
How fast can you stuff losers into lockers?
Greetings!
I hear Lola. Fred's just a boy.
It would make me feel less insecure.
Greetings, comrades.
Who cares if I can't get it right the first time?
You want some?
Simmer down, big guy. It's
Yo,
all right.
mama.
I didn't tell Mom about that at all. She'd be so mad.
Stop that right now!
Disappear, sit down. Tell me you did not.
So telling on you.
Have you ever tried to wake your
boy.
head? I wonder what...
Scuzz
I better
bucket!
go study.
What's going on?
Hello!
I better make a friend soon.
Come on, give me a break.
You know, sometimes I feel like I'm such an easy target. Like people just take advantage of me. What's a girl got into? Man, that was lame. This fight was falling
Says you
apart.
have to
It's like a loose nut or something.
Please.
You're crazy.
Check it out!
You'd all be living in Shantytown.
Score!
If I didn't introduce my mid-cost luxury homes.
Hey, Jimmy Hopkins.
Do I know you?
No, I'm Pinky, but I know all about you. Everybody's talking about you. Everybody says that you're mean and angry and you like fighting.
Huh.
Gary said you're so mad because you're sexually confused.
Yeah, well, Gary talks a lot of crap.
Oh, I know. I don't like him. He likes to torture people.
So what? He's not gonna torture me.
Well, I'm glad you're not sexually confused.
Really?
Yeah, I like you, Jimmy Hopkins.
Oh, yeah?
But I need you to do something for me.
What a surprise.
I'm last in line, and this movie means everything to me. I'm gonna get terrible seats. Can you please get rid of all these people for me? Please, Jimmy?
What's in it for me?
I'm a princess!
Oh.
And I need people to do things for me. So hurry up, because I want to be first!
Oh, man. All right.
Why do poor people have to be
I don't see
so
why
rude?
Darby doesn't want
Is
to
it
ally with the
genetic or
jocks.
something?
It'd be a perfect match.
My daddy's gonna sue you!
It's just not fair!
I don't see why something like this should happen.
How are you today? Look, there's a bigger jerk than me. Aren't you supposed to be in class?
Hey, what's
So, are you gonna get me something
Why am I always
nice?
looking at the
Poor
cheerleader
people just
shoes?
seem so authentic and real.
You're supposed to be in class this hour.
You're coming with me.
You really should be in school. Knock his teeth. In my day, we used to make I saw that. Just let me be, kid. I don't want to.
Hello.
I have to remember.
Hope to see you soon.
I'm a good person. People like me. I have many friends. I am very...
Hi, sir.
You suck.
I got my eyes on
Your
you.
joke is not funny!
You on an adventure?
Smart kid. Street smarts are what count, not book smarts.
When I get out of here, things are... I thought you might like these. Thanks,
He's got the
Jim.
hots from me, I know it.
Seriously, thank you.
Where am I going
No!
Total,
Gross.
utter gross out.
So it seems like all of these teachers are more
Maybe I can
interested
make
in their
Daddy
love
divorce
affairs
him.
than teaching us. I'll remember this forever! I just want to play sports, that's all!
That's great, Jimmy. If only you'd been born into my social circle.
Well, I do have a few uses, you know.
Oh, really? Well, you know, nice girls like nice flowers. Anyway, here's some money. It's the least I could do. And it's Daddy's anyways. The show's about to start, but come see me sometime. We can work through these class issues we have.
Oh, I'll work through your class issues all right, sweetie.
Truant.
I locked my car. Don't remember locking it. I had to have locked it.
That's that nonsense dealt with.
How can I find more tax
Listen,
deductions
pal, help
around
a
here?
poor desperate fella out. I used to have crabs in my bathtub.
Charity case.
Would you stop that, please?
I might need that.
Listen, pal, help a poor desperate fella out.
I guess I'm...
So, this is how you treat a girl? Well, not me.
What are you talking about?
We had a date, and you are 3 minutes late.
No, we didn't.
Yes, we did.
No, we really didn't. But look, I remembered how much you like flowers.
Oh, damn. That wasn't you. That was Darby. Well, he's late. I cannot believe he's done this to me. Oh, and those are so beautiful. 3 minutes. What does he think I am, a tramp? Ugh. I hope something important happened. Like he's dead. Because otherwise, there's no excuse.
Did you say you're waiting for Darby?
Yes, I don't really like him, but he's my cousin and our family wants us to get married. You know, keep up the tradition.
Wait, marry your cousin?
You know, it used to be brother and sister until it was made illegal. My aunt has 4 thumbs.
Really?
Yeah, well, I'm not marrying him now. He's humiliated me.
So, what do you say you and I go out and leave Darby to another cousin?
Great. You know, I'll meet you at the carnival tonight. Jimmy, I'm really starting to like you.
You're going back to the poorhouse.
Now you're going.
Why are you hitting yourself?
One day you'll regret it.
I'm gonna feel bad about this.
Jason seems way easier in the movie.
A sec. You're under arrest.
I married the wrong sister.
I can't believe this! You kid!
I thought I was supposed to get 3
Way to go, greaseball!
I'm gonna be trading my car.
Keep it up, and I'll take you down, hotshot.
Where is that crazy chick?
Hey, Jimmy. Glad to see you're on time, unlike some of my other dates. What are we waiting for? Let's go have some fun.
Hey, wait up!
You'll win me a teddy bear, won't you, Jimmy? I'm easily swayed by presents, you know. It's okay. You know, I've always been strangely attracted to the socially disadvantaged, Jimmy. You people, you're just...
Wow, you really bought a ticket. Will you look at those arms? Solid muscle.
Jimmy Hopkins delivers. If veal is more delicious because it's
This was so exciting. I love when the carnival comes to town.
You weren't just pathetic. How's it going? Why'd you pick that?
Oh, cool! Thanks, Jimmy. It's so cute. Thanks for a great date, Jimmy. Oh, wow, Jimmy. You really know what you're doing.
That was easy.
Mr. Sullivan watches me from afar, longing